The speed is like my career changing app, especially because the speed is my friend throughout my residency. The whole 3 years, I did my MD exams through speed. I passed an MD anesthesia with good marks with speed, and I'm so thankful to speed faculty. Like so, throughout the my during my OT, during my ICUs, I go on through MCQs. I used to watch classes. Just it's like cakewalk, sir, because of
Companion.
speed.
Bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of faculty of Speed Medical Institute and team of Speed to Dr. Kiran Kumar for scoring rank number 79 in DM-CCM group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Great to have you on this session, and thanks for your valuable time to spare with us to share your
Thank you,
experience
sir.
also to the students who are watching this video.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And also, we want to know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done.
Sir, myself, I'm Dr. Kiran Kumar. I have done my MBBS from Government Medical College, Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh, and I have done my MD in anesthesiology from PGMS Rohtak, sir, Haryana.
Oh, very good, very good.
So I finished my MD in October 2025, sir. Then I started prepared for NEET. Then I gave exam and I just cracked the exam, sir.
Excellent, excellent, very good, great achievement. Can we know what are the preparation strategy, how you did it to achieve this rank?
Sir, myself, like I always want to do medicine, but somehow I went into anesthesiology. And in the first 3 months, I was like, I'm not into the anesthesia department, sir. Like, I'm not used to, I don't understand anything about that thing. So I felt depressed and I was like, I need some platform. So I just looking for a platform and my senior advised speed, sir. In my third month of residency, only I started watching speed classes, both anesthesia and critical care classes, sir.
Great. Thanks for sharing and nice to know.
Yes,
And
sir.
can we
Yes,
know
sir.
about the paper and number of questions you answered about the pattern of the paper and what is your judgment on that?
Paper is more like more on concepts, and it was so lengthy paper also, sir. And you should be more thorough through your clinicals, and you should have some ICU exposure also, sir. It's like so. I got my concepts clear from the great faculty like Varun sir and Harish sir, and I was so grateful to them. And uh, I gone through this MCQ discussion videos, 126 videos, sir, which is PYQs from previous like AIMS questions, DIPMAR questions. So those 126 questions is like the gold standard thing for CCM, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
What are these 126 questions? High yield, is it?
Sir, 126 videos
Okay.
in speed is there, 126 videos. That is like only pure MCQ discussion videos, sir.
Okay.
Sir will come with a question and he will gone through the concept and it's just cleared my concept, sir.
Okay. Okay. Under what folder it is there? What is, I mean, can you tell us the, name of the session? Because, that will be useful for the students.
So it's like Veronium 2 in this May. It's like part 1, part 2 is there. In part 2, that 126 videos is there, sir. That's each video is like for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. And sir will come with 10 questions in each video and he will give 1 minute time to answer the question. Instead of answering the question also, he will clear the concept,
Oh,
which
good.
is like beautiful, sir. It's very beautiful.
Great, great. Very, very nice. You shared and will be useful for students, and thanks for sharing. Faculty will also be very happy.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great, doctor. What will be your message for the future aspirants of DMCCM group?
So it's like whenever you're posted in ICU, especially during your residency, and you should conscious and you should dedicate, like you should do work properly in ICU, sir. Like it's not like you should thorough through your clinicals and you should thorough through rounds and you should have some guidance from a platform, sir. It's like
And why speed and why you chose speed? And I mean, what is your experience with speed for this exam?
the speed is like my career changing app, especially because throughout residency, it's my friend, sir. That speed is my friend throughout my residency. The whole 3 years, I did my MD exams through speed. I passed an MD anesthesia with good marks with speed. And I'm so thankful to speed faculty like Shruti ma'am and Akilan sir. And in CCM group, it's like Varun sir and Harish sir, sir.
Okay.
So throughout during my OT, during my ICUs, I go on through MCQs. I used to watch classes. Just it's like cakewalk, sir, because of
Companion.
speed.
A companion with you.
A companion, sir. It's like
Academic secretary. For
yes, sir. I prepared my classes through my speed app. I used to teach my juniors through the speed classes, and they just taught me how to read articles, how to do concepts like this, sir.
Great. Very nice to know. Faculties will be very happy to listen to your words. They'll be really motivated.
Yes,
Doctor,
yes, sir.
great. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel they stood by you from day one till date to build your career. You can use the platform to do so.
Yes, sir. Sir, obviously, my like, I want to thank my father, like, who guided me from my childhood, my father and my mother. And next thing is like, I want to thank my MD Institute, sir, because of I am from a peripheral college in MBBS, but I went into a good institute, and that institute taught me so much. And other thing is like, I want to thank Speed, sir, because I am from a peripheral college, sir. Like it gives me so much encouragement to me, and I'm so grateful to each and everyone, sir.
Very nice, doctor. Very nice. Great words. I mean, thankfulness.
Yes,
More
sir.
of a gratitude of your interviewers today.
Yes,
And
sir.
so humbled, grounded, and you are such a wonderful human being you are. And I mean, on top of it, you're a very dedicated, hardworking, focused uh, anesthetist, and to be on of a critical care specialist in future going to be. And I'll tell you, I'll tell you what I feel.
Yes,
You
sir.
will be one of the most resource person that the people will be helped and served with your services.
Yes, sir.
And definitely you will do amazing job to them and touch millions of life. For that,
Thank
advance
you.
and congratulations to you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for talking, sir. Thank you so much.
Great, great. All the best.
Thank you, sir.